Hello everyone, my name is Luminita and today we're going to talk on our favorite topic on this channel, Pecha Kucha. And if you are already on this channel for a while, then you know that I really love optimizing the process of presentation creation. I always try to find ways how to make it either quicker or easier or spend as little time and money on it as possible. So this also applies to Pecha Kucha. It generally is a easy way of creating presentations, but it can get easier and faster and better with every single step. And I already have some videos on that. You can check the whole playlist over here. But today I want to share with you my latest innovation, or what I actually discovered for myself, a way to create Pecha Kucha presentations that I actually use nowadays the most, and I really think that it will be helpful for you. As you might have already understood from the title and thumbnail, we will not need the laptop today, but the phone, and actually only one application. If you're interested, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. I told you we'll need just one app, and this is the Canva app. And I told you about Canva so many times in so many videos, and none of them are sponsored, neither is this video. I really truly believe that the creators of this website are geniuses, and they helped and saved my life so many times. And this app and this website is perfectly suitable also for people that either have an iPhone or an iPad or an MacBook, because I know that a lot of you don't have the Microsoft Office installed on your computer. And I know also that a lot of you don't want to pay for the full package. For example, on my computer, I have Microsoft Office, but it's the student account, so I have the full access to everything. But a lot of you don't, and that's why Canva is really the solution to so many problems in this sense. Now, as you can see, we are on the homepage of the app, and if you go to the left and press the plus, you will see how many options you have and everything that you can do with this website. But we are going to go for the presentations, and here you see a lot of templates. We will not look at these templates today, but if you are curious to find out how exactly I'm using these templates, how to customize them, go and check my previous video out that I uploaded over there. I really make an extensive discussion in there, but for today we don't need the templates. We will just be there with our blank slide. Now, the first step might be a little bit weird and confusing, but it's vital. And just trust me in there, stay with me and trust me in there, and just follow this first step. I will explain you a little bit later in the process why this step is so important. Maybe I find an alternative for this step in the future, but for now, this is what worked for me. That's why stick with me, do this first step. I will answer all your questions, or maybe you'll understand in the process why this is so important. So what we're going to do is to click on the slide and then on the plus in order to add something. And this something in this case, in our case, is a video. So we are going to go to the videos, and from there you can pick any video out. You just have to be free of charge. That is longer than 20 seconds. It is important that it should be longer than 20 seconds. How much longer, it doesn't matter. That's why I will just go with the first one. Recently used 26 seconds. I will also make it smaller, but you don't have to. I mean, you can leave it on the whole screen. You can make it smaller, put it on the left hand side, right hand side. It doesn't matter. It's just important that this video is on your slide. It also doesn't matter what video, because now what we are going to do is to, first of all, crop the video, the length of the video from 26 to 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 0.0. This is important, first one, step one. And then we're going to make it transparent, so you will not even see it. It's important to have it, even if you don't see it. You'll understand why. Now, it's really important to check that it's there all the time. And what we're going to do is actually create our 20 slides by making a duplicate of, or by doubling the slides. And again, it's important not to just add on slides in this case, but really duplicate the first slide, because we have the video in there and we need this video on every single of our 20 slides. So we will press on this little sign in there for 20 times. And what's important is that in the end you really look that you have this small video in there. It's really important that it's in there. And for you to really understand how important it is, on one of the slides, let's say on the slide 19, I will delete this video and you will see the difference between the slide with the video and without. Maybe you already got the difference. If so, let me know in the comment section below. Now, we have our beautiful 20 slides, and what we have to do right now is to fill them in. So give them some content. And if you all follow me and you know my presentation style and what my Pecha Kucha philosophy is, I'm doing always Pecha Kucha standard presentations. The ones that were from the beginning of the presentation technique. So I use only and only pictures, no text on my slides. And this is what we're going to do today as well. You can add on text if you feel like, but I will show you everything just with pictures. And how to add on a picture in Canva is by you can do this by clicking on the slide and then on the button replace, and we will replace the whole slide with a photo. And let's say that my very first slide that I want to have is a greeting slide, so a hello slide. And therefore, if you see this crown, this means that you should, or you actually have to pay for this picture. If you have the free account, if you have the pro account or upgraded account, you don't have to pay extra. But for this case, we will just use something free of charge. For example, welcome on board. Again, it's important that you have the transparent video on the slide. I told you many times, but it's important. And what I really like about Canva is that they have a very big library of pictures and videos, so you don't have to go on third stock pictures websites. You can just take everything from Canva itself. The only disadvantage or minus that I personally see is that you cannot filter out free pictures from paid pictures, so you cannot click on a button and just filter them out. So if you are searching for something, you really have to scroll and look, okay, is it for free, is it not, and so on. But this is, I think, the biggest disadvantage, and they really have a big library that you can choose from. Now with the rest of the slides, we will do exactly the same thing. Just go to the library, search for something, for example, presentation, because my presentation will be about presentation, or this video is about presentation. And then search for something, let's say climb to success. I really like this picture. Check if the video is in there, and basically do the same process again and again and again and again for 20 times. As you remember, Pecha Kucha is 20 slides with 20 seconds per slide. Maybe now you got why we need a 20-second video on it. If so, give this video a thumbs up. But generally, this is the process of creating the slides in Canva. You can write your script before or after. In my playlist, Pecha Kucha playlist, you'll find 2 different videos where I show you how to do the scripts before you even think about the slides, or when you first do the slides and then the script. many ways to do this, but as for now, this is how we do the slides. And I will just continue adding in pictures on every single slide, and at the end I'll come back to you. Okay, I just finished to create the slides or upload the pictures on the slides. If you have to, or if you want to have an overview, you can click on this little button and have an overview what slides you created so far. These are mine. And what we're going to do right now is actually export or download our slides. You can use these slides also when on the website, so you can present from the website itself. But for this particular case, I would really just download it. And how exactly is by clicking in there, and Canva recommends it. And I do the same. I recommend you to download your presentation as an MP4 file or a video file, not slides. First of all, because of our videos from the slides, that if you didn't get it yet, the answer is still coming. Second of all, it's supported by the majority of the devices, phones, laptops, iPads. You can send it. If you send it, it will stay exactly the way you sent it, because in my case, I know I had so many stories in which I would send a PowerPoint presentation, but then it would arrive differently. So with a video, you're always safe. And yeah, I will just download it as it is. A little caution, or what I really want you to know, is that these videos might take a while to download. Again, it depends on your internet, on phone, and many other things, but generally, because it's a video that is exported, because there are some videos in the video itself, it might take a while till it downloaded it. That's why, yeah, I will not bore you with waiting. I'll just come back to you when it's done. Congratulations, the video is done, it's downloaded, and now I can show you the final version of it and why it was so important to have the 20 seconds in there. So, first of all, you can see it there. Okay, this is the video with all my slides. Now, if you look really closely, the slides change at exactly 20 seconds. So what we did, because on Canva you can, especially with the free of charge version, especially with the app version on the website, you can make more things, but with the app you are a little bit limited. That's why we tricked the system, and instead of making a timer as we would do with PowerPoint when the slides should change, we actually inserted a 20-second video on the slide, and when this video is done, after 20 seconds, the slides change. And just for you to see it, remember the 19th slide didn't have any video. Well, we have the whole video in there, and the 19th slide is the shortest one, and it's in there just for 5 seconds. So if you don't insert a video that will make the slide a little bit longer, it will stay just for 5 seconds, which is way shorter than you need it to be. That's why we needed that video. If you understood my little trick before I explained it, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below how smart you are, because we have to celebrate it. And yeah, that was the way I create my Pecha Kucha presentations on my phone. Again, it was completely free of charge. Pretty quickly, I would say, except the downloading process. It's really quickly, it's easy with this little trick. You don't have to worry about transitions, about switching the slide. You just insert this 20 seconds video in there. You download it as a video, and you send it, you present it, and you have zero worries afterwards. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Again, let me know in the comment section below if you knew about this little trick, if maybe you use different tricks to create Pecha Kucha presentations or generally presentations, or maybe you have different questions. I'm always happy to answer in the comments, or maybe make a video out of that if you want to learn today, right now, even something more about Pecha Kucha or presentations in general. Click here and here to join my growing community. Click on the bell button to get notified every single time when such a useful video comes up. Remember that communication builds connections and miscommunication builds MS. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.